Introducing Paywatch, debt recovery with a difference. Brought to you by Havilah Legal, a boutique law firm based in Perth, Western Australia. Paywatch, an Australian-wide custom-built web application, provides users with a simple, effective tool to recover debts quickly and at a fraction of the cost of debt collectors, mercantile firms, and other legal services. In general, debt recovery matters begin with a letter of demand being issued to the debtor, requesting that the outstanding amount be paid within a certain time frame, usually 7 days. The Paywatch system automates and improves on this element of the debt recovery process by enabling you to request a legal letter of demand be sent out to the debtor by Havilah Legal on your behalf. We know from our extensive experience in the debt recovery field that debtors who receive a letter of demand from a law firm as opposed to a payment demand from the vendor generates a higher rate of reply and subsequently a more effective recovery rate on overdue accounts. With no downloads or installation required, simply log into the secure Paywatch website to begin using the software. To add a new debt to Paywatch, select Add New Debt from the left navigation menu. Firstly, enter the contact details for the debtor. Next, enter the details of the debt, including the amount, a reference number, the reason for the debt, the jurisdiction of the debt, and any other details you may like to include in the optional fields provided. The next section refers to the debt contract. Does a written contract for the debt exist? If a written contract does exist, then does the written contract contain a recovery clause? A recovery clause provides for some of the costs of recovering an outstanding debt to be claimed back to the debtor. A tooltip reminder with a link to further information contained on the Paywatch website in respect to recovery clauses has been included here for you to reference. Next, you will be prompted to select the letter of demand option from the available choices. A rollover tooltip will display further information on each of the options. Finally, click the Save button. A summary of the debt and debtor information you have entered, as well as the letter of demand chosen and its associated cost, will then be displayed. The requested letter of demand from Havilah Legal will now be dispatched to the debtor requesting payment for the outstanding amount within 7 days, or legal action may be taken. If there has been no response after the 7 days have elapsed, you will receive a notification from Paywatch requesting instructions on how you would next like to proceed. Our experienced debt recovery team, facilitated by the Paywatch system, will take you through the debt recovery process, keeping you updated on the status of your claims. This area of our practice operates on a fixed fee basis, ensuring you are in an excellent position to undertake an accurate cost-benefit analysis of chasing up an outstanding account. The customized Paywatch software solution actively facilitates the management and recovery of your outstanding accounts via a feature-rich interface that displays a valuable summary section for each debtor containing a detailed transaction log of everything that has occurred in the system, as well as useful information tabs displaying messages sent to and received from Havilah Legal, any repayments made by the debtor, the status of any legal proceedings underway, and a free text notes area. A useful shortcut has been included within the debt summary section to enable actions to be quickly applied to a debt. The taskbar at the top of the screen offers a visual prompt of any reminders due, any internal letters of demand that you have to print out, as well as any messages received from Havilah Legal. A reminder function has been included, allowing you to set dates in the system to follow up on selected items. An alert is triggered and displayed in the taskbar when a reminder you have set becomes due. A list of the reminders you have set can also be viewed. Paywatch contains a bulk upload functionality for convenient entry of large numbers of debtors and their data. Add and remove users from your Paywatch account as required. Run reports to ascertain the effectiveness of the activities undertaken in Paywatch. Email prompts are delivered directly to your inbox on a weekly basis in addition to the in-system alerts and reminders, working to ensure that debt recovery activities remain on track. An essential component of an effective debt collection system is to incorporate escalating follow-up steps at predetermined intervals. Paywatch facilitates this process, enabling the management and monitoring of outstanding accounts, combined with the highly effective rate of debt recovery associated with letters of demand that come from a law firm. In many instances, outsourcing of the credit collection process will no longer be necessary. Take control of your cash flow and recovery on those outstanding accounts. Sign up to start using Paywatch today.